How to set up paid Telegram channel. So if you want to set up a paid Telegram channel, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Telegram application, and now you can go with the pencil shaped icon, which is on the bottom right. Go with continue, and here you can go with new channel, and you can create a channel. So enter the channel name, go with the description, and go with the tick, which is on the top right, and you can select a public channel or a private channel. So you can set that to a private channel, and after that you can go with the tick, which is on the top right. And once you've created the channel, now you can go back and go with search, which is on the top right. And from here you need to search for invite member. So you need to search for the invite member bot. Now once you have, you need to tap on the bot and you need to start messaging. So you just need to simply go with join, which is on the bottom. Make sure that you've selected the bot and not the channel. Search for invite member bot and then tap on it. And after that, go with start, which is on the bottom. Tap on I accept. And then you just need simply go with project, go with add project. If you've not created a project, you can go with create project. You need to just enter your email address to confirm. And you need to enter the confirmation code right here. Now, if you want to add the project, you can go with add project, enter your project name. And now you can choose paid Telegram channel. And now it says that you need to create a private Telegram channel first. So as we've already created, we can just simply tap on connect channel and select the channel that we've just created. Go with send. And now you can select the currency in which you would like to charge. For example, I'll go with the United States dollar. And how would you like your members to pay? So you can choose every month or every year, or you will also have more options. You can tap on more. So I'll just simply go with every day, and you can just follow the steps. You need to enter how much will they pay every day. Now once you've done with all of the steps here, it says that you need to open a chat with a BotFather and you need to create a new bot. So copy and paste the bot token here. If you want the guide, then you will also have the video. You can just simply go and see the video and follow the steps that this bot says you. And that's it. That's how you can set up your paid Telegram channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.